Welcome one and all to Meteora Weather Service. This is Shumati Pututundo back here, and today we will be dealing with 3 days weather prediction for Pan India. And moving on to the next part, that is the satellite image or the present satellite condition. We can observe properly that on the northern part of the Bangladesh, a circulation which is lying now, which is causing a rainfall which is of moderate to scatter in over northeast, specifically in Assam for next 24 hours. The central Indian condition, if we talk about, as well as in the western part of the India, a low pressure condition is now prevailing, which is over Gujarat and which is expected to bring a rainfall which is a moderate in intensity over the adjoining areas, and a trough line which is joining that low pressure to the central and east central Bay of Bengal till east central Bay of Bengal, and this is causing a patchy or spotty rainfall over overall India condition, that is the central part also. Basically, the coastal area will experience, specifically in case of Andhra Pradesh and Odisha condition, they will be experiencing a light to moderate rainfall, and in the South Indian condition, they will be also experiencing the same type of intensity. So moving on to the precipitation map, if we see for the North Indian condition, if we see the detailed outlook, then around the northern part of India, patchy or scattered rainfall is expected over New Delhi, Jaipur, Kota and the adjoining areas, as well as in case of Ahmedabad or the northern part of the Gujarat, the rainfall will expected to rise, and for case of Rajasthan, a moderate to heavy isolated heavy rain condition will be prevailing for the next 24 to 48 hours. But moving on to the northeastern condition, the rainfall which will be intensity of moderate is expected to go over North Bengal also, as well as the Assam and adjoining areas. Moving on to the coastal part or the central part adjoining the coastal parts of India, a moderate to light rainfall and basically a patchy coverage will be seen. Moving on to the prediction for the precipitation in South Indian condition is likely the South Indian condition, the weather will be always a bit clear than the northern conditions, because there is very less accumulation of the precipitation which we can observe through the image, as well as in case of Andhra Pradesh. In the South Indian part, Andhra Pradesh will represent or get isolated rainfall, or which will be of intensity of light in type for the next upcoming days. For the coastal India, a coverage of less or isolated rain condition will be seen, but in case of Tamil Nadu and adjoining area, the clear sky condition will be visible for the next 24 to 48 hours. Moving on to the next part, that is for the risk factor analysis for the temperature in case of Pan India. For the below normal coverage, the areas of Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam will go towards very changeable climatic conditions which is of below normal, and the temperature coverage of Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam will be having a below normal maximum temperature. But in case of South India, the Tamil Nadu, where a light heat wave condition will be expected to get, that is above 38 or ranging towards 38, because last 3 days condition there is very minimum amount of rainfall which has happened, which caused this temperature to rise up. Moving on to the next part, which is of rain and thunderstorm coverage over Pan India. Excuse me. For this case, the northern Indian condition as scatter coverage of 45 to 75% rainfall is marked, as well as in case of Arunachal, the similar pattern is followed. But in case of the Seven Sister, the other parts will be receiving a fairly widespread rainfall, and as well as in case of Sikkim, the fairly widespread condition will be prevailed. But in case of western parts of India, where the Rajasthan will also show a fairly widespread condition, but majority of the states of central India will be expected to receive a scattered rainfall, which will be demarcated by 45 to 75% around coverage, where Gujarat having a widespread condition for next 24 hours. It will reduce, and for Tamil Nadu, the rainfall, the precipitation will be the most minimum in case of all over parts of India. If we compare, Tamil Nadu will receive the most lightest coverage of rain in the total pan-India coverage. Moving on to the next segment, that is the city weather prediction, where the first city is Delhi, and Delhi is expected to have a 31 degree centigrade as the maximum temperature, and the minimum temperature is expected to be 24 degree centigrade with a partly cloudy along with a patchy rainfall will be prevailing over this Delhi. And for the next city, that is Kolkata, the maximum temperature of 31 degree centigrade and the minimum temperature of 26 degree centigrade is expected, and the overall situation will be similar to that of Delhi. And for the next, that is Mumbai, Mumbai will be having a partly sunny to cloudy as well as with rainfall condition with a maximum temperature of 28 degree centigrade and a minimum temperature of 25 degree centigrade is expected. Whereas in case of Chennai, that is the coastal part or the city which is present in the coastal area, we know, where a sunny condition or a clear sky condition will be prevailed with a maximum temperature of 33 degree centigrade and a minimum temperature of 26 degree centigrade is expected. Moving on to the next day, that is for the 5th, where 5th Delhi is expected to have a maximum temperature of 30 degree centigrade and a minimum temperature of 25 degree centigrade, along with a similar condition which we saw in 4th September. Same condition will be prevailing in case of Delhi. And for Kolkata, 32 degree centigrade as the maximum temperature and minimum temperature of 26 degree centigrade is expected to be observed in case of Kolkata. Whereas in case of Mumbai, 28 degree centigrade as maximum temperature and minimum temperature of 25 degree centigrade is prevailing over Mumbai on case of 5th September. And for Chennai, a clear condition is always expected as such in case of this coastal area city, where 32 degree centigrade is maximum and minimum is 27 degree centigrade. Moving on to the next day, which is 6th September, let's start with the coastal city which is Chennai, that is 32 degree centigrade as maximum and minimum is expected as 27 degree centigrade. Maximum temperature in case of Mumbai is 28 degree centigrade and minimum is 25 degree centigrade, but climatic condition which is having a rainfall or rain is expected to prevail in this case in this city. In case of Kolkata, partly cloudy to sunny condition is prevailing in case of 6, where the maximum temperature is 32 degree centigrade and the minimum is 26 degree centigrade. In case of Delhi, a partly sunny to cloudy condition prevailing with patchy rainfall to prevail over Delhi, and the maximum temperature of 31 degree centigrade and minimum temperature of 25 degree centigrade is expected to be received by this particular cities. For more weather related updates and as well as informations, please like and subscribe our channel, that is Facebook as well as YouTube, that you have done maybe.